Welcome to S3 Medical Solution. Today we're going to see about Sensormedics 3100B ventilator. This is the front view of the ventilator. Now we are coming back the backside view of the ventilator, and here you can see the outlet from the ventilator. Then this is the air and O2 hoses from the central line system, and that is the moisture trap. Here we need to give the AC supply to the ventilator. And this is a blender which will blend the air and oxygen. These are the hoses for air and O2. This is to the blender. We need to connect there. And this is to the ventilator. We need to connect to the ventilator. This will blend the air and giving to the ventilator, from the blender to the ventilator. And this is the main part of the ventilator. This is known as piston motor. This is the main function of the ventilator, is called piston motor. Now we're going to connect the circuit here. The cap diaphragm set we need to connect to the circuit. And this red color is for the dump control. So we need to connect to the circuit on the cap, then to the ventilator. Then this should be connect according to the color coding on the ventilator. Fix it properly. After fixing this on the circuit, you can see that pressure amplitude, it should be connect to the white area. It will connect to the ventilator. Fix it properly according to their color codings. These are the 4 control units which is controlled for the pressure. This circuit is used to control the air outlet from the ventilator. Now we need to connect the one end of the circuit to the ventilator air outlet, and this other end we need to connect to the circuit. Now take the circuit. In this tube, we need to connect the other end of the air outlet circuit. Connect to this port and fix it properly. Next, the main thing is, before turn oning the gas source, we need to insert the stopper. This is the green color stopper. It should be insert in the patient circuit to the eyepiece area to turn on the both gas source before ventilation. This is the power on switch off ventilator. After turn on this, you can see the LED indications. On your left side, you can see the mean source monitoring, and this is to start and stop ventilation. This is mean source monitoring, and downside for alarms, set max power and set mini power. Here you can set according to it, and this area is known as power settings, and this is oscillatory settings, and this is mean pressure, and this is bias flow. We need to adjust this up to 30 liter. It is adjust up to 30. In this flow meter, you can visibly see that the indications. And rotate this mean pressure adjust knob to 12 o'clock position. After adjusting the bias flow and the mean pressure, it should be in 30 and it should be in 12 o'clock. And you should adjust the amplitude. That power we can on and off. Now it is in off. Now we're going to on it. This is on. This amplitude and the mean pressure and the bias flow. 3 is controlled by the mean pressure. In this circuit, we have inspiratory and expiratory. In inspiratory port, we have the heater line that is known as inspiratory. And expiratory, we don't have any heater lines that is known as expiratory port. You can see that heater line and without heater line. This is inspiratory and expiratory. It is controlled by the cap diaphragm set and by the control units. And this is the alarm settings for the power, set max power and for set mini power. Here you can adjust the knobs for rotating. We need to fix 5 and here also you can rotate it. We are setting to 1. Now we're going to connect the test lamp. Reset. Before giving start, we need to set reset and then start ventilation. Now it is ready to give ventilation to the patient. And this is known as water trap. From the bellow water trap, it will get the water. If in case any water is there, it will collect the water. And that is the humidifier chamber. We need to connect the humidifier and the heater probe and the temperature probe. To the circuit, we need to connect the heater probe and temperature probe from the humidifier. And that's all about the Sensormedics 3100B ventilator. Thank you.